Today. Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. This is take two of my garden. The other side, I got more extension cords. Now I'm going to flip the camera around. I had Ron help me, so Uncle Alan's still independent. I can't see where crap. Now here's some garlic and onions I've been hanging up air drying in the garage and outside. I hope you can see everything okay. I have to be careful because I'm carrying a 10-pound laptop and camera. Don't have a good setup like Christine's or anybody else. I'm going to try to do his best with primitive tools. Now, these are my tomato plants, and they're about to bloom. Okay, I got some radishes planted that haven't popped up. I got my rest of my red onions. They're going to get bulbed out like the first batch over here. Okay, I got my seedlings in my pots. You see all that? Okay, I got some bigger containers. I just can't see the screen, so I hope you can see everything. Okay, kids, I have my first tomato plant, and it's about 2.5 feet tall. I got some green onions. I got some basil started. I have my eggplants over there growing. I got a few buckets I got to fill up with more soil. And a few other things. Whoops. Sorry. These damn laptops are heavy. I got an old model from 2008. So hopefully you can see everything clearly. And there's the onions and garlic from the first batch I'm drying out. Ugh. Okay, it's me again, kid. I hope I didn't scare you. Uncle Alan has a lot of gardening to do. And also, I got to use fixed play because I found out my idiot nephew shot holes with their air guns in my tool shed. So I got to patch it. I'm not supposed to climb ladders, but like, what the hell? I'm the only one here, and Uncle Alan will take care of things. I had to empty out and change my water position barrels. I usually have two 55-gallon drums in there for me emergency use, hidden, out of sight, out of mind. I don't like nosy people. I don't have guns, so it's really hard for me to kill people with my bare hands. I'm really old and I'm really tired, and I have to climb a ladder. So I'll catch you later, kids. This is a part 2 of my gardening video. I hope you can see it, because I can't, even with the stronger glasses, I can't see anything. Is it off? No.